Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the Garrison Militaria. So I think it's pretty obvious what this video will be about, and it is about what's on my head, which is an M1917 steel helmet. Also, might look like a British Mk1 Brodie helmet from World War I, but this one is an American M1917. Some slight differences, nothing too crazy, but we're gonna get into that now. So, April of 1917, the United States entered World War I without having a standard steel helmet to issue its troops, which now was a common thing on the Western Front, with the British having the Mk1 Brodie helmet, French having the Adrian helmet, and the Germans having the M1916 Stahlhelm, I believe. And in June of 1917, the United States decided to adopt the helmet design of the British, which was the Mk1 Brodie helmet. And when production started in the US, it was named as the M1917 steel helmet, which is what I have on my head. Production for the M1917 helmet didn't start until the fall of 1917, and quantities of these helmets weren't available to issue to the troops until late November 1917. With that being said, these helmets are pretty much shaped like a water basin, and they're made out of a single stamped piece of manganese alloy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I may be wrong. It is what it is. And the difference between the M1917 and the British Mk1 Brodie helmet is that theirs was made out of 12% manganese alloy. This one is 13%. 1% difference. I don't know if it's too much, but that 1% could have saved someone's life. So now, more for the production of the M1917. The liner of it, which is the inside padding, was made by 10 different shoe manufacturing companies, which was common at the time for civilian product companies to be producing stuff for the military during the war effort. Pretty common, happened in many wars. So the liner was made by 10 different shoe manufacturing companies, and the steel was stamped by a company called American Sheet and Tin Plate Company. So that's where the steel came from for these helmets. And by February of 1917, over 700,000 of these helmets were produced. Once manufacturing was ceased for the M1917 helmet, U.S. manufacturers had produced over 2.7 million of these helmets before they finished, which is a crazy number in a short amount of time for all these helmets. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, gained some knowledge. Go on and check out our website, thegarrisonmilitaria.com. This helmet is up for sale on the website, and we have plenty of other products, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Have a great rest of your afternoon.